FS day trader is live trading under pressure. FS day trader is live trading under pressure. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, bonjour, bonsoir, mes amis, guten Morgen, guten Tag, guten Abend. For those of you who are new to us, we are the TSTW24 traders. And our website is www.stochastic-magd.com. The title of this video is FS Day Trader is live trading under pressure. All right. The time in London is 23 minutes past 3 p.m. In New York, 23 minutes past 11 a.m. on the 30th of October 2015. All right. Why am I trading under pressure? All right. So I am under pressure. Why? Because today is Friday. All right. So you see here, Friday, the 30th of October 2015. A weekly candle is about to close, and the professional traders very often, all right, 1 hour, okay, all right, as soon as London is closed, in fact, as soon as London is closed, most professional traders will pack up and go for, okay, the weekend. So I am under pressure to take some profits, all right. Looking at the time of the day, I don't have long, okay, you don't have many hours to trade, okay, the euro dollar. So I'm under pressure because it's Friday, and then very soon London will be closed, all right. All right. So this is it. So we are looking at the euro dollar. What I'm going to do, I wanted to explain to you. We see here a tall candle here. Why do we have a tall candle? We have a tall candle because of a high impact economy news that was released on the 28th of October 2015. Now, before we continue, I want to stress on something very important for FS traders. If you are trading Forex, if you are trading currencies, you must pay attention to the economy news. The economy news can change the dynamics of the financial market. Recently, I have recorded a video that I posted at George Trio YouTube channel, and I was saying to traders to give priority to, okay, a bullish signal above the level of 11010, and it was on the 28th exactly, and the price was going up. As you can see here, if you see here, we have this trend line here. I will color it now into pink to get your attention. All right, pay attention to the pink line. So on that particular day, as the price was going up, the price reaches the pink line, which is this trend line. In fact, we have, okay, a triangle, a smaller triangle here, all right? So, and then the price reached this, the edge of the triangle, and traders took profit. At the same time, my friend, we have a high impact news because decisions were made in the United States regarding the interest rate. All right, so I'm going to go quickly, so bear with me. All right, I encourage you, all right, to be patient and watch the full length of this video. All right, so you may understand, okay, what is going on in the Forex market, Forex Factory, okay, .com. All right, make it your best website and check it out all the time. Forexfactory.com. So you want to combine the technical analysis with the fundamentals, all right, and this is the best way forward. All right, so this is very important. So I want to go, so we click on calendar, we come to forexfactory.com, click on calendar, and here it is. So Monday 26th, Tuesday 27th of October, and here it is. On Wednesday 28th of October, we have a very important economy news, okay, regarding here, where are we, where is this, okay, Federal Reserve, you see here, federal funds rates. All right, this news was released at 2 p.m. Eastern time. That was 6, okay, p.m. London time. All right, at that point in time, the price, they will see that tall candle coming down. Did you see? Did you trade that day? Or how was it for you? Or did you pay attention to the economy news? If you have not paid attention to the economy news, I'm encouraging you now to combine the economy news and the, okay, and the technical analysis. As you can see here, okay, the envelope, you see the envelope, this is the gorgeousness of the Forex Factory. The envelope is red. It's telling that this is a high impact news that can change the dynamics of the market, okay? So here we see a tall candle. And after the tall candle, all right, because I said to trade prior to bullish in above, and since then the price start going up. It didn't, okay, pull back. It just, after the tall candle, if you bought it here, it just going up, up to now, okay? All right, so I'm under pressure also because I said to you it's Friday, because I'm under pressure because it's Friday, but I'm also under pressure because I want the euro-dollar currency pair to come to this level here, okay? Be careful, my friend, be gentle. I want it to come somewhere near this level. I want to be conservative, I'll put it there. And I want it to come near the level of 11090, okay? 11090, okay? That's where I want it to come, 11090. I want it to come to 11090, okay, which is a resistance zone. You want to sell at a resistance zone. If you want to buy at a support zone. Remember that a resistance level can also be converted into a support zone if the price breaks above that resistance level and find a support. And the support level can also be converted into a resistance level if the price breaks below that support level and the final resistance. As you can see, the blue line here at 11010, the price breaks below it with that tall candle due to high impact news. As it comes to the edge of that support level, which is 11010, it failed to find a resistance. This is the opposite. If it failed to find a resistance, now it's bullish. So what we have said to trade that day, the price was going up, as we have said, reached the edge of the pink trend line, a high, a higher high, and a higher high. Hit it here, boom, the pink line. All right? And then from there, we have the high impact news, bring it down, price come back to the edge of the support level, fail to find a resistance. Now it's heading back up. So we need to be aware. So though I'm looking for an opportunity to sell the euro dollar, somewhere here, this resistance, because you see some people sold it here. So if it comes slowly, okay, it comes to this zone, I'm now on the hourly chart. I will switch to the lower time frame to zoom into the price action to interpret the language of the price, to understand what traders are doing in that zone. And if I see that they are selling, I will not be the first person to sell. I want the big market players to start selling, and then I will sell together with these traders by monitoring the candlestick pattern around this zone. But remember, above this blue line, okay, we have the pink line, which is another resistance level. So though I want to sell here, I need to be very, very gentle. Will the market prefer the pink line as a resistance or this one? But remember, I told you that I'm under pressure. And also, I'm looking at the clock during the day. You know, it's a Friday. And professional very often, as soon as London is closed at 5 p.m. London time, they are likely to start going away, okay, abandoning trading and going for the weekend, all right? So I'm going to the mind of other traders. I'm expecting them to start taking profit if it come here because it's Friday. If it was another day, I would expect them to push it to the pink line. That's why I prefer this line than the pink line. But we will see. Does it mean that the price will definitely do what I'm expecting? No. But if the price doing exactly what I'm expecting, well, then I will sell. Okay? All right? So this is it. I'm under pressure. Talking about FS day trader is live day trading under pressure on the 30th of October 2015. So for the purpose of this video, this is a live recording. At some point, I need to tell traders that I will have to pause the video to avoid that the video is too long. So, okay, be ready for it. So here we are. So I'm on the hourly chart and I have my blue line here. I will switch now to the 3-minute time frame. All right, let's go to the 3-minute time frame. I want to see my blue line. If I can see it on the 3-minute time frame, okay, let's go to the 5-minute time frame. Maybe I'll see my blue line. I can't see either. All right, my friend, we are back again. 10-minute time frame is not showing either that resistance. Okay, 15-minute. Here it is. I want to see this line, and I'm expecting, okay, the euro dollar slowly by gradually, okay, to hit that level. All right, and if it hit that level, all right, I will, okay, switch to a lower time frame and looking for an opportunity, okay, to take, okay, bearish signal in this, okay, bearish zone, because some people saw it here before. All right, I want to show you something also for Apple stock. All right, because we are talking about Forex, it's about trading, all right? But I want to show you something that we have done yesterday. So here you see, this is Apple stock, okay? Yesterday I recorded a video, all right? So in fact, what I will do, I'm looking for my pen. Here it is, all right? I want to write something down, so bear with me as I'm writing something down. Link this video, okay? That's what I'm writing here, all right, to live, a video that I recorded yesterday that I titled Live Day Trading, okay? Using Fibonacci Extension, all right? That was the video that I recorded yesterday. And check it out in the description section, and you will learn something very important about day trading. The strategy that I applied yesterday is a price, so price goes above the previous high, so you see it went up, it gap up from here, okay, and display this high here. If the price break above the previous high, the first challenge for the bullish progression is the 138% Fibonacci extension zone. And I draw a line here, the red line at 12070. And I sold Apple yesterday in this zone and it went down. But I was selling it just before the market is about to close. So I recommend that you check that video out about live day trading using Fibonacci extension. So as the market did open today, you can see that the price continued to go down up to now. All right. So this is just one example of live day trading, and check it out. Well, let's go back again to check our euro dollar. And like yesterday for the Apple stock, I want Apple stock to go to that level 12070, and I was very, very patient until it reaches that level. So today again, talking about live day trading, I want to sell at a resistance zone, and I'm expecting the euro dollar slowly but gradually to come to this point, and then we'll monitor what other traders are doing here, monitor the reaction of the price on or near this zone. But if you struggle to reach that level, there's another level I want you to remember. You see, the price was consolidating here. You see here, we're on a 50-minute time frame now. So there was a consolidation taking place here, all right? You see here, boom, 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 boom. Are you with me, all right? Consolidation taking place there. So I want to monitor if I would prefer them to push it to the edge right here, okay? All right, in the zone of 11090, all right? But if we want to monitor another level, which is somewhere here also, in the zone of 11072, all right, 11072, all right? So we will, where it is now, we start monitoring the reaction of the price, but what I'm expecting, I prefer them to bring it to the level of 11090, all right? But we will see. All right. What I'm going to do now, my friend, because we don't want the video to be too long, all right? We're on the 50-minute time frame because I want to see this blue line on my chart. I will place a vertical line there, okay, and I will pause the video and come back and see whether the euro is doing exactly, okay, what I am expecting, and we will see whether an opportunity is given to us, okay, to sell or not, okay. So pausing the video for the first time, okay, and the time in London is now 35 minutes past 3 p.m. In New York, 35 minutes past 11 a.m. on the 30th of October, 2015, all right? So let's pause it, and we'll come back to it very shortly, all right? So pausing the video for the first time, and then we'll come back to it to resume the recording, okay? And as soon as the euro is coming near the zone, or if there is something very interesting going on here, I will resume, okay, the video, and to show you exactly what's happening here. So speak to you soon, okay? Pausing the video for the first time. Okay, traders, so we pause the video right here. You can see that the euro found a resistance here and it's coming back down. Okay, right here. All right. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to sell the euro right now at 11047. Okay, 11047. Right, this is. It's a bit aggressive selling. All right. I'm happy with that. Okay. 11047. Sell the euro. Sold it. All right. Hold on, please. Okay. 11047, okay. Okay. 047. That's it. Sell the euro at 11047. A bit aggressive entry here from my side. All right. The reason is you can see that the price couldn't reach the level of 11090, and you can see the candle here. We are on a 50-minute time frame, and this one was very bearish, followed by this one also, and now it crashed through it. Look at the support. I want you to pay attention. Why am I selling here? Because this support here, the support in the zone of 11051 has failed to hold the price. That's why I decided to enter the trade straight away. Okay, so I'm in this trade now at 11047. Normally I should enter a bit early, but because I was not looking at the screen at the time, so busy. All right, so now I'm in this trade at 11047. All right, okay, that's it. All right, so this is what I'm saying to you, that I am under pressure. It's Friday afternoon, and in exactly the time in London, 52 minutes past 3 p.m. New York, 52 minutes past 11 a.m. So in exactly 1 hour 8 minutes, London will be closed. So I'm looking at the time because it's Friday. I need to enter this trade quickly and then okay, see what will happen. All right. But my decision is based on this bearish candle here, especially this bearish candle, and also the fact that the price went below the support level in the zone of 11051. All right, I'm going to switch my time frame now. Okay, so in fact, hold on, please. 1 second, please. I want to remove a line. I'll remove this line here. We were expecting it to go to 11090. It didn't, so I removed that line. I will remove also my arrow here because of the time of the day. All right. I'm under pressure to grab something out of this market before it's too late. So now I enter the trade, all right, at 11047. I want to check my stop loss. I'll use for this trade, okay, 25 pips, all right. Use 25 pips for this trade. 1 second, please, my friend. Still here. Okay. One second, please. All right, so here we are. Very simple live day trading, the euro dollar. Okay, I'll move my vertical line to the side somewhere here, and when we are ready to pause it again for the second time, I'll place it back. Okay, so you may know exactly what's happening here. Okay, I'll remove also this line. I'll color my entry into orange, and I'll place my stop loss. My stop loss is at 11072. No bad place, not a bad place at all. 25 pips. It's not bad place. Yes, it's not bad place at all. 25 pips. All right. So if I put the vertical line there, 11072 stop loss. Okay, somewhere there, okay? Color my stop loss to red. That's my stop loss. Now, what's happening, my friend? What's my expectation? My expectation is that the price will come back and retest the level of 11010. But as you can see, it's Friday afternoon. We will see whether it's going to come down there. 11010. So, I know, 37 pip expectation in this trade. So, sold it at 11047, expecting it to come back and retest the level of 11010. Okay, that's it. I'm in this trade now, my friend. So, hopefully within 1 hour, I will get paid. All right, that's my expectation. I'm under pressure to get paid as soon as possible. Okay, my friend, that's it. It's done. All right. Let's remove some line on my chart here. some of the line that I do not need. Here we are, my friend, cleaning it up, cleaning the chart. Okay. Right. I want to mention something also to traders that has happened last time, talking about Pitchfork tool, a trading tool that professionals are using. You can see that the euro went down, was going down big time, and reaches the level of 11010. Okay, somewhere here, and the price was, you see here, it was going blah 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 blah. As the price reaches this level, and due to the high impact news at Forex Factory, all right, remember what I said about Forex Factory. All right, the high impact news pushed the price down, okay, up to the zone of 11900. That was the low, and since then the price started going up non-stop. Now it reached the resistance zone, and we are selling it. Look at the Pitchfork tool. So remember what I said to you. We need how many points to draw a Pitchfork tool? If you want to know more about Pitchfork tool trading, check out dayprotraders.com. or subscribe to Day Pro Traders YouTube channel. There are excellent videos, tutorials about Pitchfork tool trading strategies that you can learn and put into use to make excellent decisions. So you see here, this is the first point. Price drop it down to the point B, A, B, C. All right, went down and then rally up a bit. Now we apply the Pitchfork tool. That's you see the brown Pitchfork tool on the chart. And look, as the price was coming down, on the edge of the median line of the Pitchfork tool. The Pitchfork tool allows traders to identify hot spot trading zones. If you want to know more about the hot spot trading, go to www.stochastic-macd.com. All right, here it is. So you see here the power of the Pitchfork tool. 1, 2, 3. We draw our Pitchfork tool. And as the price drop down, we draw a Pitchfork tool, and on the edge of the Pitchfork tool. Also pay attention carefully how we draw the pink line here. Sometimes traders do not draw their trend line like this. I recorded some videos at the George Trio YouTube channel about drawing trend line, how to draw trend lines. Okay, all right, check it out. All right. In fact, what I will do, I will link a video about a trend line in this. Check the description section. I'll put it there, so check it out. Okay, our latest recording about how to use trend lines. Okay, check it out also in the description section. You see this, there was this high and this high. So on the 28th, we say to trade prior to bullish signal, the bull. As the price going up, you enter the trade. You want to know where are the, okay, it's going up. The price looking for better resistance level. We have the horizontal support, horizontal resistance level, and also, all right, the trend line that are also resistance level, and the pink line, the price, the professional that are buying the euro before the high impact news took profit right here, just before the news is released, and on the edge of the pink trend line, we push it down to the median line of the Pitchfork tool. Use the Pitchfork tool and learn how to draw trend lines like professional traders. Okay, all right, let's go back again to see what's happening with my trade. Am I being kicked out of the trade? All right, so we are in this trade now. Okay, so my targets, so I'm going to go back again to the hourly charts. You see now, so this is what we are talking about. You enter the trade, set your stop loss, know where is the, so price going down, where are the support level? There's one here at 11029. Don't just ignore it. There's one support there. See here, that's where people bought it. It went up. So there's one there, 11029. And okay, the best support below that one is 11010. My expectation is that the euro continue to go down up to the level of 11010. That remains to be seen. Okay, and we just wait and see. Okay, we are now in the trade. It's all about managing the trade, keeping eyes on it. Okay, another thing also I need to highlight to trader. You see now I'm on a 3-minute time frame. I'm on a 3-minute time frame. Bearish chart pattern are often formed on or near resistance level or key levels. All right, so the level of 11072 is a resistance zone. All right, so you see we have what, a triple top, and the knot of that triple top is broken. All right, so it's a bearish chart pattern. Price was going, so when you see a triple top, ask yourself what the price was doing before. The price must go in up fast before we see a bearish chart pattern on the edge of a resistance zone. The opposite is also true. The price must be going down fast before we will identify bullish chart pattern on or near a support zone. Okay? This is what we call market stable data. So all I'm doing here, very simple, I recognize on the hourly chart, my friend, that some people saw the euro dollar right here. It's a resistance zone, okay? The price went down, price went back to the same zone. And I'm monitoring to see whether those who sold it here are still willing to sell. I have noticed that there are some sellers starting to sell. I don't want to be the first person to sell. I join them to sell too. Now, I must control the trade, right? It's not sufficient to enter the trade and then ignore it. Now, you must manage the trade. If you don't like what you see, you can cut it and go, all right? Or sometimes you may decide to leave it. And if they kick you out, well, you can't call your mother for that, okay? All right? Okay, this is it. And also my target is set now. All we are waiting for is to get paid happily, okay? So let's pause the video for the second time, my friend. And we'll come back to it to avoid that the video is too long. I'm on a 3-minute time frame now. And let's look again for my vertical line. Here it is, my vertical lines. You see this vertical line on all my live day trading videos. So let's place a vertical line on a 3-minute time frame. And the time in London is now 3 minutes past 4 p.m. in New York, 3 minutes past 12 p.m. This is lunchtime in New York. So we will see whether traders will be happy, okay, because lunchtime is not the best time for, okay, day trading as such, but we give it a chance. We are already in the trade. We set our stop loss 25 pip up, so let's give it a chance, okay? So let's pause the video for the second time, okay? After 27 minutes, okay? So speak to you soon. Okay, traders, we pause the video here on a 3-minute time frame, and as you can see, it's working beautifully. The price now at 11031. So my target, as you know, is at okay, 110. Okay, 10. I want to go back to the hourly chart. Okay, that's it. 11010 is heading towards that on the hourly chart, as you can see. All right. My entry is right there at 11047. Stop loss at 11072, using 25 pips for this trade, all right? So far, so good, all right? That's the way you want it, all right? So we'll see, okay? We'll see, all right? We want to, okay? We may see something like that, okay? So this is it, just to show you exactly what's happening here, all right? So let's pause the video again, and then we'll come back to it and see whether, okay, it's cooking nicely, so to speak, all right? So speak to you soon. Pausing the video for the third time, okay? Okay, traders, revenons à nos moutons égarés, as they say in French, all right? So the price, you can see now, is below the support level that we have talked about before, the support level of 11029. Did you forget? Don't forget, my friend. There is a support at 11029. This support here, you see this one here, where the price did change direction. On the 28th, people bought it at 11 in the zone of 11029. Okay, the price is below that support level. I'm talking about this support here. Let me highlight it for you. Okay, this support here. All right. Oops, I moved my line. Okay, 11010. That's it. That's where he was. Okay. All right. I'm talking about support at 11029. Okay. The price below that level now. Okay. If you like, I will put a line on the chart so you can see it. Okay, tonight. That's the support level. I'll color it. I have orange. I have pink already. Let's use red this time, okay? That's support level, the red line, okay? That's the 11029. Let's go back to the 3-minute time frame. You see that's the support level. So some traders are taking profit here. All right. A bit greedy from my side. Okay. I want it to go to 110 in the zone, near the zone 11010. All right. That will make more sense. All right. Yeah. We will see, okay? 11019, there's another key level there. On the 3-minute time frame, there's another level here near 11018. Alright, so trying to be a little bit patient now. Alright, beautiful, isn't it? Alright, beautiful trade. Alright, so you see, traders are taking profit near this support level. High frequency traders, you see this candle here, bearish followed by this bullish candle. All right, this is a candlestick pattern here, and before it went up. So in this zone again, so you see some people bought it here, and scalpers are buying again in the same zone. All right, but I want to be a little bit more patient. Okay, we are on the 3-minute time frame. All right, let's pause it again, my friend. Pause the video again. And then I will show you, okay, if it's cooking nicely, so to speak, if it's working nicely. All right, I'll come back and show you what's happening here. All right. Let's pause the video. The time in London is 25 minutes past 4 p.m. In exactly 35 minutes, London will be closed. All right. So that's why I'm a bit under pressure. All right. We will see. All right. We will see. So in this condition like this, if I want to control the risk, I can move my stop loss from the level of 11072 to put it somewhere up here to minimize my risk. But I don't want to do that. Okay, I want to leave it as it is. Okay, but you can do that. You can move because now it's in profit. You can move my stop loss somewhere up here to control the risk or to minimize the risk. Okay, so let's pause it and then we come back to. Okay, it's very shortly. 26 minutes past 4 p.m., 26 minutes past 12 p.m. in New York on the 30th of October, talking about, okay, FS day trader is live trading under pressure. Speak to you soon. So before that, let's place our vertical line here. We're on the 3-minute time frame and pausing the video. Okay, traders, what's happening here? So as you can see, we pause the video here. And the price finding a support in the zone near 11029. Okay, what I'm going to do now, I want you to pay attention carefully to what I'm going to do now. I'm going to place a limit order here at 11037 to come out of my trade here. So what I'm doing is that if the price continues to go up and reaches the level of 11037, my trade will be closed straight away with 10 pip profit. All right, that's what I'm doing. But I am not closing the trade yet. I just placed a limit order. This is a protection for my profit. Okay, so I'm a secure. What I'm doing here, I'm securing 10 pip of my trade. So if the price continue to go up and it reaches the level of 11037, this trade will be closed with 10 pip profit. But if it continue to go down, all right, I will close it myself near the zone of 11010. Okay, so this is a protection in case it continue to go up. The trade will be automatically closed at 11037. But if it continue to close to go down, I'll come back and close it myself somewhere near the 11010. All right. Okay, this is what I'm doing now. Okay, so here it is, a limit order at 11037 to close the trade here. But if it continue to go down, I'll close it somewhere near the 11010. All right. The purpose of this video is to show traders how one can manage a Forex trade, an FX trade. You enter the trade, you set your stop loss, you set your target, and you manage the trade. Okay, you try to understand what the price is doing. So you may wonder why I place this limit order here, because if the price is going down, the price might display lower lows and lower high, okay? All right, in the downtrend. So it's going down, you see here, went up, okay, and then it come down, okay. In fact, we can say like this, all right, and then you see, all right, it went up a bit like this. So there is a high of this candle. So if the price goes above this high, that's why I set this limit order here to close the trade, all right? But my expectation is that the price will continue to go down near the level of 11010, okay? So here it is, okay? So that's why I placed the limit order above this high here to secure 10 pip, okay? So I can get something out of this trade under pressure, okay? All right. So I'm going to pause the video again, and then I will leave it, and I will show you how I close the trade. And that will be the end of this video, okay? And if you like this video, please give us the thumbs up. If you dislike it, make sure you give us the thumbs down, all right? If you love it, feel free to share it on Google+, on Twitter, and also on Facebook. If you love our videos, okay, this is the time to subscribe to our channel. Check the description section. Okay, go down, and you will see, all right, a link where you can subscribe to our channel, so you can, okay, stay tuned and watch more tutorials about FX trading, all right? So pausing the video again, and I will come back to it very shortly. In exactly 22 minutes, okay, London will be closed, and we are under pressure. It's also Friday afternoon. It's already past 12 p.m. in New York. It's lunchtime in New York. Professionals that are preparing themselves for the weekend, okay, maybe, okay, packing up. So that's why we need to control things carefully under pressure, so we may get paid, all right, quickly, all right? So pausing the video again, and I will come back to it, all right? Speak to you soon. Okay, traders, I'm out of this trade. I'm out of this trade at 11019, okay, only 9 pips away from my initial target. It's not a bad trade. It's Friday afternoon, okay, has been great, all right? So, okay, you see now, come out at 11019, okay, I'm happy with my trade, not bad, okay? So you see now, very simple, okay, but also powerful, all right? So this is the end of this video about FS day trader. Is live trading under pressure, the euro dollar currency pair. Okay, as you can see, we were looking for weaknesses or bearish activities, okay, around a resistance levels, okay, the resistance level. So you can see we have noticed that there was a resistance level on the hourly chart. Some traders sold the euro here. You see the shadow of the candlestick bar here, and also plus the high impact news. Price went back up to the same zone, all right, trading zone. If you want to know more about trading zone, check www.stochastic-macd.com. Learn to trade like a pro, and from there we were monitoring the reaction of the price in the zone, and we have noticed that some traders were selling the euro in the same zone, okay, here, all right? So we were not, I was not the first person to sell the euro, so I joined traders that were selling the euro, and I entered the trade, all right, right here, okay, at 11047, all right, setting 25 pips stop loss at 11072. I manage the trade carefully. As the price reaches the first support level at 11029, all right, price dip below a little bit and start coming up here. I set a protective limit order here. You know that this order was not fulfilled because it's a protective order to close my trade at 11037. But as you can see, the price did not come into 11037, but continue to go down. And looking at the time of the day and how the price is going down, okay, I decided to come out here at 11019. It may continue to go down all the way to 11010, but I'm happy with my trade, okay, and that was a successful trade. If you, okay, you are watching this video, okay, the best approach, you think that this is a great video, okay, now Best approach, okay, try to put into use a demo account, paper trade, all right? Try to apply similar strategy and see whether it makes sense. If it makes sense, okay, practice until you master it, and then, okay, and use it like a professional trader, okay? This is the end of the video, and we wish you the very best in your trading. And until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. If you like this video, give us the thumbs up. If you dislike it, make sure you give us the thumbs down. If you love it, feel free to share it on social website. And if you love our video, subscribe to our channel. Happy trading to you all. And then we will speak to you very soon. We are the TSTW24 traders talking about FS Day Trader is live trading under pressure. Thank you.